this one's about done. Let me turn this around so you all can see. You know, like I said, just cutting back some of the dead on this one and bringing it back to life a little bit. Again, I'm saving these seed pods because I'm going to plant these next year because I just love marigolds. And when we started having mosquito issues, I would take like a blossom and just kind of rub it on my clothes, and it would keep the mosquitoes away. And they talk about like that citronella. They don't like it. So it's much more safer to use that on yourself than, you know, the chemical bug sprays and stuff. And again, happy Veterans Day to anyone who's a veteran out there. If you're in the U.S., I am as I said in the beginning, for those of you that are new, I am a military spouse of a retiree. My husband served 22 years in the Air Force, and so we are a military family, and appreciate everyone, you know, who served and sacrificed. Little container's getting too full here. So I'm saving all the seed heads. But and we will plant these seeds next year. So don't throw them out, because you can save money on the seed purchases. So. And I gave everything a water in here yesterday, so it's not too dry. And my fan kicks on. I have my temp set to 85 in here, so anything above 85, which is 84 now, the fan will kick on, but I actually covered the fan. It's solar, because I didn't want it running while I was doing this live with you all, so you don't have to listen to that. And I'll have to note and oil get the WD-40 out and oil this set of clippers here, because they're very squeaky. So this is looking much better. Looking much better. Not as bad as what it was. And I love cleaning up potted plants. So I think this one looks good. I'm going to go ahead and see, it looks better. Got all the dead off there. And this will give me that summer time happiness smell and color, you know, marigolds that I just love. I think I might cut some of you back because you're looking a little dead there too. But yeah, it's looking much better. Much better.